Man may make empty promises, but God alone has promised an eternal reward. So no matter what you're facing, I need you to remember and declare that God is worth it. God is worth it. God is worth it. Jesus is worth it. Our God is worth it. He's worth all the ups and downs. He's worth all the trials that come. 'Cause see, He's the only one that will be with you through it all. So somebody help me say He's worth it. God is worth it. Jesus is worth it. Our God is worth it. One more time. God is worth it. God is worth it. Jesus is worth it. Our God is worth it. He is worth it. All the glory, worth it. All the praise, worth it. All the honor, God is worth it. He is worth it. All the glory, worth it. All the praise, worth it. All the honor, God is worth it. Jesus is worth it. Jehovah Jireh is worth it. Mighty God, He is worth it. Oh yes, He alone is worth it. He is worth it. Our God has never failed us, so He's worth it. Our God is always with us, so He's worth it. Always and forever. Jesus alone is worth it.